You need a cart, babe. I need a cart. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Huh? Let's try. You want to get in? Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. I just came here to get coffee and a little bit of cheese. What's that? You want ice cream? Yeah. Let's see. Let's get some coffee. Coffee beans. Coffee. Oh, it's okay. Coffee beans. All right, BB-8. Yeah, I'm gonna get some beans. Cowboy roast next to the blend. That vanilla nut was good. I know. We should get this maple pecan. I want it like a Christmassy. Pumpkin spice. Banana, that's decaf. We don't need decaf. Alright, let's get this. Let's get the maple pecan. We have a grinder, so.
Smell this.
Yeah, but it's decaf, babe. What's that? Peanuts? Oh boy. Oh boy. They're so messy. No. They're so messy. Cactus pears. No, I never had. It's like prickly pear or something. Like prickly pear.
Oh, cactus pears.
What else? Cheese. I gotta get cheese. I gotta get cheese and some kind of vegetable for Saturday.
Cheese?
I gotta, ooh, look at these Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, actually, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Those look good. They're expensive though. Are the prepared vegetables? I can do that myself. Much cheaper. I know. I was dead in here. Yeah, whatever you want, baby. I'm not gonna eat. These are locally made sodas. Dog drool. So it's actually what? Orange lemon. Kitty piddle. Alien snot. Avery's, it's in New Britain, Connecticut. We used to get spring water from there for like 25 cents a gallon when I was a kid. But now they make like all these specialty sodas. They're really funny, cute. Oh, look at the advent calendar. Oh, Christmas. Oh, let's see if they have any, like those tomahawk steaks. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad. $8.99 a pound. Look at them. Those look good.
I fell in love with you, feathers and beak. Going for you madly, because you held me tight. And stole a peck in the night, feathers and beak. I beg to be adored, lost control.
I need some sort of spice, and I can't think of what I need. What do I need? buy one of these. It's 25 bucks. But you always need a good vanilla. This is Madagascar bourbon vanilla extract. That's what I want for Christmas. I want a good vanilla. Like Ina Garten, the Barefoot Contessa says.
I want to see it again.
Good vanilla. We're in the seafood lobster rolls. I got some New England style lobster rolls.
He said, I wish I could do that.
With mayonnaise. Oh, he did? It's like kind of like a lobster salad. This is like, where is it? The yellowfin tuna. It's like the best tuna salad. That's my favorite tuna. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Fish burger.
Get me some time to blow the man down. 'Cause in a black barn, I first served my time. Hey, blow the man.
Thank you. Dairy. They have like specialty like milk. They had Christmas cookie milk. And what do they have? Apple pie milk? They had apple pie milk, like no, they don't have it, but they had that Christmas cookie milk. Wasn't it good? Yeah. Oh baby, look at the meats. Yeah. Olives. And now I'm gonna get some cheese for Saturday because we're having company. So I'm gonna do a cheese platter. Alright, my phone is about to die, so I'm gonna pick up a cheese real quick. I want that Dauphinois. I like butchered the pronunciation of that, like brie like cheese that we got, but it was delicious. Dauphinois, right here. I'm gonna get this. Alright guys, to show you guys how I have fresh ground coffee with called the Cuisinart Grind and Brew. So what this does, it's the end of the night, I did the dishes, my countertops are so cluttered, but wipe down the countertops, and I make coffee and I program it at night, and it goes off by itself, and makes a cup of coffee in the morning. I have it set for like 4:45. My husband gets up at 5:30, but I usually get up to go to the gym or go running. But I just wanted to show you how this is set up. So we were just at Leonards and I got some coffee beans, but usually I just use regular ground coffee, and I drink it black. So we went to Leonards and got some beans. I got a pound of s'mores coffee beans, and they recommend I usually put it like in a storage container, but they recommend to put whole beans in a Ziploc bag and squeeze out excess air before putting it in the freezer, leaving the beans whole and then grinding as you need them at room temperature yields a superior cup of coffee. But what I'm going to do is I put them in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to fill the grinding reservoir, and I have 6 cups of water, or 6 servings, so 2. So I'm going to do a scoop per serving. 3. These are nice and shiny. 4. 5. 6. In the reservoir. And then put the top on. So this is kind of like, I really want to get like a nice like French press and grind my own beans, but this is kind of like a shortcut, if you don't want to do the grinding and then do the French press. But I am going to get a separate grinder and a French press because I have to have that, and I already have it set up with like a filter, and so it grinds kind of right into here. and then Brews. So it's a Cuisinart grind and brew. We actually bought it. Our realtor gave us like a $100 Bed Bath & Beyond gift card. So this is what we bought with our gift card. So I want it to set where the grind will go on, but if I just made regular black coffee, I would just put grind off and then program it. But I'm just going to program it, and this is kind of like a nightly ritual. Make the coffee and it'll be done first thing in the morning. It's all dirty. All right guys, see you later. Have a good day. Bye.